When it comes to protecting your Plymouth home from water damage, your gutters play a bigger role than you might think. They direct rainwater away from your foundation, walls, and landscaping, helping prevent costly repairs in the long run. But just like any part of your home's exterior, gutters don't last forever. Knowing when it's time to replace or install new gutters can save you from serious structural issues and unexpected expenses. Frequent leaks or visible cracks. One of the most obvious signs that your gutters need attention is water leakage. If you notice dripping even after a light rain, your gutters may have cracks or holes. Over time, minor leaks can grow into major ones, allowing water to pool near your foundation or seep into your siding. While small holes can sometimes be sealed, widespread leaks usually mean it's time for a full replacement. Plymouth's mix of heavy rains and freezing winters can worsen these cracks quickly, so early action is key. Peeling paint or rust spots. If you start seeing paint peeling away or rust forming along your gutters, it's a red flag. Peeling paint often means water is escaping and sitting where it shouldn't, while rust indicates your metal gutters are deteriorating. In Plymouth's coastal climate, moisture and salt exposure can accelerate corrosion. Replacing rusty or peeling gutters with durable, rust-resistant materials, like aluminum or vinyl, will give your home a fresh look and long-lasting protection. Sagging or pulling away from the roofline. Gutters that sag or pull away from the house are a serious concern. This typically happens when they're clogged with debris or filled with water due to improper drainage. The weight strains the fasteners, causing them to loosen over time. Once gutters lose their proper slope, they can't direct water to the downspouts effectively. This can lead to pooling water near your foundation, one of the main causes of basement leaks in Plymouth homes. If tightening screws doesn't solve the issue, it's likely time for a new installation. Overflowing water during rainfall. If you see water cascading over the edges of your gutters during rainstorms, it means something's wrong. The most common cause is clogging from leaves, twigs, and roof debris. However, overflowing can also signal that your gutters are too narrow or incorrectly pitched for your home's drainage needs. In areas like Plymouth, where rainfall can be heavy and unpredictable, upgrading to a more efficient gutter system, such as seamless gutters with guards, can prevent overflow and protect your home year-round. Water stains or mildew near the foundation. Water stains on your siding or mildew near your home's foundation often trace back to gutter issues. If water isn't being properly diverted away from your property, it can soak into the soil, weakening your foundation over time. You might even notice puddles forming near the base of your home after storms. Replacing or reconfiguring your gutter system helps direct water safely away, maintaining the structural integrity of your Plymouth property. Eroded landscaping or washed-out mulch. When your gutters fail, the evidence often shows up in your yard. If your landscaping is constantly washed out or your mulch gets displaced after rainfall, it means your gutters are spilling water in all the wrong places. New, properly sized gutters can help preserve your landscaping design and prevent soil erosion. Age and outdated materials. Even the best gutters have a lifespan, typically 20 years for aluminum and up to 50 for copper. If your gutters are decades old, replacement is likely more cost-effective than continuous patchwork repairs. Newer gutter systems are designed with advanced materials that resist corrosion, improve water flow, and complement modern home exteriors beautifully. Protect your Plymouth home with new gutters. If you've noticed any of these warning signs, it's time to consider replacing or installing new gutters. A professional gutter inspection can determine whether a repair or full replacement is needed. Modern gutter systems not only protect your home but also enhance curb appeal and energy efficiency. Investing in high-quality gutters today means fewer maintenance headaches and greater peace of mind through Plymouth's changing seasons. Don't wait for leaks or damage to escalate. Upgrade your gutters and keep your home safe, dry, and looking its best all year long.